Last night, we were traveling from Paris to Munich by train, but during our quest for adventure, we accidentally had to stop by this small town called Offenburg. It's amazingly beautiful, and little that we know that this is also the place where the highest mountain called the Black Forest. So this was a good accident, and this is a traveling experience that we always encounter. Surprise! Alright, today we are now in Offenburg, going towards Munich. Last night, while on the train from Paris to Munich, we were shocked by the news that the train operators have gone on strike, and everything is being disrupted, and we have to alight in Offenburg, right? So when we are traveling abroad, most of the time we try not to plan too far ahead. We try not to book all the hotels, you know. So basically, because sometimes it could be weather issues, sometimes it could be things like this, a strike happened, and everything is disrupted. So the hotel in Munich, we had to try to cancel it, and of course try to get compensation from the train station operator. But nevertheless, good thing is today we are able to get a train back to Munich. So this is part of traveling abroad, especially when you are going for a long time vacation like our current one, which is 71 days in Europe. Alright, cheers! Now we are at Midway at this place called Mayhem. But because the train may or may not come, sometimes we have got just to keep asking for direction, asking for the next arrival and departure time. So this is why we have to keep vigilant about the time and the schedule. Alright, hopefully we are able to reach Munich soon. Cheers! Okay, we finally reached Munich, and guess what? It's snowing! At last! Yeah, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Shook, right?